What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix an exhaust leak on a dirt bike. So I got this Yamaha TTR 125 off of Craigslist and I bought it for $600, but when I got it I noticed it had an exhaust leak and it was right in here. So today I'm going to show you how, if your dirt bike has it, how to fix it. So the way that I did it, I got a can of sunscreen, like this thin little metal from a sunscreen bottle, and 2 hose clamps. And this is what a hose clamp is, just something you can buy at Lowe's for really cheap. So you cut up the sunscreen can, make it into a little like strip, like that. Put the hose clamps on it and tighten them down, and that should fix your exhaust leak. It's not perfect. I have this heat wrap, but I haven't put it on yet. But it kind of helps. Now this isn't a temporary solution, but until you find out another way to fix it, this helps a lot. And yes, I know it's idling really high, but it's just having carb problems, and I'm trying to fix it, but I haven't had time yet. Alright, so that's how you fix an exhaust leak, and it only takes like 10 minutes, and it's really cheap, so yeah.